How to download the project from a tablet. When you have some created projects on your iPad and you want to transfer them to another computer or to another iPad, so you go to the settings, and here you have import and export section. Press export. All projects are collected and archived. So export completed, press OK, and we go back to download section. Here we have the IP address. So go to your computer or to another device and type the same IP address as you saw there. And on the screen we see this picture. There are image upload, project export, and import export. So we need project export. Here we see all the projects that were on the previous iPad. So we choose one and we download it. The project is downloading in KPF file format. So you can save it. Here it is, the project is downloaded.